Some say that effective landscape lighting turns night into day. But at GM Lighting, we believe light should do more than just erase darkness. It should reveal beauty, enhance space, and create atmosphere. We didn't just design another lighting line. We redefined what night could be. We turned night into Irradiar. Irradiar Landscape Lighting is a line of outdoor lighting fixtures that span landscape, hardscape, and waterscape. But if there's anything that links Irradiar to other landscape lighting, it's summed up in one word: power. That's why Irradiar came out with their own line of transformers, digital and mechanical timers, plug-in photocells, and transformers with built-in timers.
We're here in the garden on a beautiful sunny afternoon. We just installed a 12-volt Irradiar transformer, and I can honestly say I can't wait for the sun to go down. Just like this 150-watt high-performance multi-tap transformer, all of our power sources are durable, weatherproof, and essential for your 12-volt landscape lighting installation. Right, AJ?
Yes, that's right, Monica. Irradiar outdoor transformers are offered in 75-watt to 600-watt commercial grade, and all are IP65 and rated for outdoor use. Our transformers offer high performance, low maintenance durability with sealed toroidal transformer construction. And with our transformers, once you set it, it's auto on, worry gone.
See? I told you that I couldn't wait for the sun to go down. Earlier I mentioned how easy it is to install our transformers. And as you saw earlier, installing our transformers is, in one word, easy.
Before you install the transformer to the wall, remove the faceplate if it's in the way. Mount the transformer at least 12 inches above the ground in close proximity to a GFCI protected outlet equipped with a cover to protect from wet weather. Make sure you have enough outdoor rated 12-volt wire to reach from the transformer to the end of your run, or the last fixture. Separate the wires and strip the insulation from both sides. Make sure that there's enough bare wire exposed so that you can make a more secure connection to the transformer at these terminals. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the metal clamping plates.
And that's how easy it is to install and program your Irradiar landscape lighting transformer. Check out our other Irradiar lighting fixture videos, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I hope all of your days are as nice as this one.